Hello everyone! Today we are taking a look at RPG damage numbers. This module takes a page from the combat numbers module that shows you the HP loss when you damage something, but takes it kind of to a next level into something more visually appealing. Of course, there is a cost to this, which is that it's only compatible with D&D 5e, and you need MIDI-QL for it to work, because it uses some data from MIDI-QL to kind of give you some extra visual feedback, basically. So what does it do? How does it work? Let's take a look first at the settings. You will see that there isn't much stuff. Basically, we have delay, and this is just how much time to wait between the damage and the numbers. And we have a sync with automated animations, so if you use the module automated animations and you have the automatic damage application in MIDI enabled, it should synchronize the numbers with the animation itself. And we have don't split numbers, that this will avoid showing multiple numbers and will show only one number. You will see what the split numbers mean very soon. So since these settings are like very simple, we can just jump and see the features of the module. So let's do something very basic. I will attack with my quarterstaff for normal damage, and you will see that I did 4 damage, and these two twos popped out of the bat. And that's basically all this module does, but it has some extra flair. So if the damage is of a different type, it will show an appropriate color. So if I pick fire, let's do some bigger damage. You will see that it will, if I hit, it will change color. There you go. And it shows all the shower of numbers. And really, this module is not about the number. You might think that these modules and something like combat numbers are very similar, but they are actually not. Because this is not about the number, it's about like the visual effect. Because you can see that like reading this shower of numbers, like it's pointless. It's just nice to see. That's what the module is about. You might think it's stupid, I think it's fun, it's cute to see. And there are some other features. For example, if the damage is critical, the numbers will be shown bigger. Now, in this circumstance, only the damage was flagged as critical. Like I would actually need to roll a 20 for this to work. But that's basically what would happen. Whoa, I skipped one. Can we get a 20? Can we get a 20? And outside, while I try to roll a 20, outside of this, the bigger numbers will show also if the target is weak to that type of damage. There you go, we have a critical. And there you go, we have the bigger numbers. So if we check this bat here, if we go into his damage vulnerabilities, if I set it to fire, you will see that the number will be big as well, even though I don't have a critical. And what is more, you can also see the resistances and immunities. So if I give it resistance to fire, the number will be slashed. There you go. And this is the same with immunity, but it will show as 0. And there is a color set for every type of damage and all that kind of neat stuff. This is how RPG damage numbers work. I hope you enjoyed. I think it adds like a nice flair if you like the more video gamey style to your D&D games. And I hope you enjoy.